Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to another Workspace Wednesday right here with Lean Strategies International, LLC. We're glad that you could be in the community today, and this week we're going to look at how you can name your ranges inside of Google Sheets. Now, we had a question a few weeks back, and somebody saw this reference right here behind me in the page and wondered what they were. Well, these are named ranges, and it makes it easier for us to refer to them in functions or formulas inside of Google Sheets. So let's see how we can name ranges inside of Google Sheets. To get started, we're first going to highlight the range of cells that we want to name. Once you see it highlighted, you can right-click on it, and you'll see this drop-down where you can select View More Cell Actions. And then we're going to go over to Define Name Range. Then you'll see over here, under Named Ranges, we're going to have a little tab. And we're going to name this, and in our case, we're just going to name it Item Number. And then we're going to hit Done, and you'll see it pop up right there. So if I were to click over here and click on that named range, you'll see it automatically highlight. So what can we do with name ranges? Well, now instead of having to refer to specific cells, columns, or rows, we can refer to this name range. So let's say we want to total up these item numbers right here. And we come over here and hit equal sign, sum, with our open bracket. And we type in item number, which is our named range. You'll see it highlight right there. And then we close our bracket, and you'll see it'll give us an answer of 55. So that's how you name ranges inside of Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and we'll see you next week on Lean Strategies International, LLC.